One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I've got here for you today is kind of a dual purpose video. Number one is to show you that the top on this car absolutely works in every way. Flawless, awesome, one owner, R129. If you want it, I'll give you a deal, give me a call. However, this is hard top, soft top operation for a Mercedes R129 SL500. Some of them are 320s and what have you. Of course, somebody's going to call me the minute I start doing a video, and they're just going to have to call back. So, soft top, hard top operation. Beautiful car. If you're interested, it's $103,000. In fact, I got another one over there somewhere. I don't know. All kinds of old cars. This is soft top. Comes up. You got the plastic window and different things in the back. It's actually a really good top. You don't get a lot of wind noise, but as with any convertible, I don't like soft tops. I just don't. And the hard top on this car, it looks so slick. And I'll show it with it on and kind of after we've washed it and stuff. So, whatever. Let's get in this thing and show you how the top operation works on it. So, key on, of course. I honestly enjoy having the car started to where you're getting extra battery juice. Windows all the way up, so brake on a bit. I do like having the brake on, and some cars require it. Here's your top operation. This is for your little roll bar. They couldn't even call it a roll bar. Somebody made them change it, I heard. I don't know. I think it's pullback. And everything just starts coming up. At the same time, the boot comes up. And then this pops up and goes back. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm going to show you from the outside while somebody else does it. So you'll have to give me a second here. And this thing will go back like her chunky chunk. And we'll show you with somebody else doing it to where you can get a better idea. Okay, I'm going to film this from the outside. He's going to pull the button back hard. Go ahead. So once you pull it back, the windows start going, and at the same time it's unlocking that and flipping it up. This is flipping up. It's all a very fast operation. That gets unlatched. This comes back. Everything sucks down in and under, and from there, kaboom, this boot goes down over the top and locks in, and the windows will go up if you want it to, and you don't have to keep the button pushed that long, and you can do whatever. So that is the hard top, soft top operation. Great car, and it's just all this button, and this one here pops that up, and that's that one right there. That was that guy calling back. He's gonna have to call back again. I'm gonna actually leave this up and show you back like that. Actually, this car looks really cool with the windows down and the roll bar up. That's just a cool look on it. So that is hard top, soft top operation. I'll show you the going back up and all that, and I'll show you with the hard top on. And I may as well make a video here while we load the hard top on. So I'm gonna get in, and I'm going to actually, what am I going to do here? I think, okay, so we're gonna load the hard top on. I'm gonna put the soft top, yeah. You ready to load it on? Right? Everything's down, right? Yeah. Word of advice, get your antenna down, radio off. Yeah. So the button, correct? Yeah. Forward. Okay, at this point we got the hard top on and we just set it on top of there and then forward with the button, and it should suck it down on its own and lock the top and roll the windows up. And I'll give you a outro later when it's clean, because honestly, even though it's a convertible roadster car, I think the best configuration on this car is with the top on. They just look amazing. Be right back. Okay, you've got this wire here, and you got this plug, and I'm gonna film it back here, and Gunner's gonna plug it in. That's one thing you plug in. I don't know if it does the light on top. Do you know what it does, Gunner?
It's the heated rear window.
Oh, the heated rear window. Yep. So that'll all work. Huh. They run the heat things through them different than the old American ones. Well, that's it. Be right back. Go. And this is the soft top operation coming up to click it up. It puts the boot up, then the soft top will come up, flip up around. It's a rather quick process. Just keep the button pressed all the way through the process, and it'll keep doing. This will go up, and then I think this goes back. Oh no, it clicks down. I missed that. And this goes back, then that goes in on top of it. And that's the deal. Then from there, it'll roll the windows up, and the car is 100% top up. And there we go. There's the car with the hard top on. Really easy deal. I'll throw some pictures in here or something. That is the video. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and look at this thing from the back. It has a really mean, nasty stance. These cars are very, very undervalued right now. They're totally depreciated, and just the cars to have. I mean, they're a great investment grade car. All kinds of old cars. Got a little 280 SL SE. Yeah, 280 SE over here. Got the Bricklin. Got all kinds of stuff over there. Mustang convertibles and old Dodge pickups with 440s in them, and LSC Lincolns, and there's another SL, and I got 40 others, 50 others at other lots, and there's an Elante over here. Woo doggy, all kinds of cars. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Look at that weed growing. We couldn't get it because it's behind the top. These cars have a stance, I'm telling you. Get one now. In 10 years, they will just be a lot more money. Thanks for watching. Check out my website and subscribe. All kinds of videos every week. We'll talk to you later. Bye. oneownercarguy.com.